Today, we're diving into the EVGA 750BQ power supply, a solid contender in the realm of PC power solutions. This 750W unit boasts an 80+ bronze certification, ensuring efficiency levels of 85% or higher under typical loads. Efficiency translates to less wasted energy and lower electricity bills, a win-win for any PC builder. One standout feature is its 140mm Teflon nanosteel bearing fan. Not only does this keep the unit cool during intense operations, but it does so quietly, offering near-silent operation. No more noisy fans disrupting your gaming or work sessions. Safety is paramount when it comes to power supplies, and the EVGA 750BQ doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with heavy-duty protections including overvoltage protection, OVP, undervoltage protection, UVP, overcurrent protection, OCP, overpower protection, OPP, and short-circuit protection, SCP. These safeguards ensure that your valuable components are shielded from unexpected power surges or faults, providing peace of mind for your PC setup. Another bonus is the semi-modular design, allowing for flexibility in cable management. You can keep your build clean and organized by only using the cables you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. EVGA backs this power supply with a generous 5-year warranty, demonstrating their confidence in its durability and reliability. Plus, it includes a power-on self-tester, a handy tool for checking if your power supply is functioning properly before connecting it to your system. In conclusion, the EVGA 750BQ offers great quality and value for any PC builder. With its efficient performance, quiet operation, robust safety features, and warranty support, it's hard to beat in its price range. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional user, this power supply is definitely worth considering for your next build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.